maging inahulog ang loob. At kung minsan pa nga ay paningin na tinitindigan. Minsan, may isang kabataan na lumapit sa akin at nagtanong, "Father, how will I know if she is the one?" And I said, when you started to gaze on her with love. And when I say love, it is more than a feeling or attraction. Love is a commitment. It is a decision. To love means to win the good of the other, even if it takes sacrifices. You know, in Filipino, we have a word that could encapsulate that idea. Pagtingin. Kapag ang isang tao ay mayroong pagtingin, hindi lamang ito basta attraction lamang. Ito ay mayroong kaakibat na pagmamahal. And you will only know if he or she is the one if you start to gaze on that person with love. Dear Randy and Evangeline, from now on, you will gaze at each other. Mula pagising hanggang sa pagtulog, yang mukhang yan ang unang muling makikita. Ito na ang simula ng inyong makahabang buhay na pagtitigan at pagtitinginan. But please, do it with love. My dear Randy and Evangeline, ngayon sa sanktuaryong ito, tinitigan din kayo ng Diyos. God is looking intently at you. God is gazing at you with love. Ang dahilan bakit kayo narito ay upang humingi ng pagbabasbas, ng magpapala sa Diyos. And I assure you, God is smiling right now, looking and gazing at you with love. And He will strengthen the love you ever already have. Pero yun na ba yun? Is your love for one another more than enough to have a happy marriage? Do you want to know the secret to a fruitful and blissful marriage? Ang Ebanghelyo binasa natin ngayon ang magtuturo sa atin ng sagot. Jesus said, "Remain in my love." In other words, put Jesus at the center of your relationship. That's the secret for a fruitful and blissful marriage. Gawing sentro ng buhay ninyo si Jesus. Let's admit to that. Sa buhay ng pag-aasawa, darating at darating ang pagkakataon na magsasawa din kayo sa inyong pagtititigan. Ang mga magulang ninyo, mga ninang at ninang ninyo, ang mga pagpapatunay niyan. No? Kung minsan pa nga, baka makalimutan na kayo sa isa't isa. No? Busit na kayo sa isa't isa dahil yan na lang ang pangyan ang makikita mo araw-araw. Darating talaga ang panahon kung saan makapagod din kayong ginawain ang isa't isa. Yung kasulatan nyo, hindi yan forever. No? Lilipas din yan. But does it mean you will give up on your marriage? Hindi posibleng mangyari yan. Lalo na makasalaman kayo sa paraan nyo ng inyong pagmamahal. You know, according to the research study, ang pangunahing dahilan daw ng pangangaluya hiwalay na lang. Lalo na ngayon, no? Sinusulong sa Kongreso at sa Senado yung divorce, no? O ba nagsama na kayo? Magpa-divorce na kayo? Dala-dala ba yan? Iiwan nyo na lang basta-basta ang isa't isa pag nagkasawaan na. Kawawa naman ang magiging mga anak ninyo. Sila ang magiging biktima. That is the sad reality. But we need to face it and counter it. Kaya ngayon sa harapan ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, manunumpa kayong magsasama. Sana Randy at Evangeline, panindigan nyo yan. Be firm that your yes to God and to one another will remain yes until the end of your life. Dearest Randy and Evangeline, do not just rely on your own will of loving, because it might bound to fail. Rather, fix your gaze on Jesus alone. Jesus is gazing at you right now. He is telling you, Randy and Evangeline, remain in my love, so that you will be in me and I in you. If you put Jesus at the center of your relationship, believe me, you will bear much fruit. Magsawa kayo sa nakakikig, hindi kayo bibitaw sa isa't isa. Mapagod man kayo, pero hindi niyo susubuan ang isa't isa. Dahil alam ninyo, kasama ninyo si Jesus. That is the secret of a fruitful, blissful, and blessed marriage. Remain in love. It is easy to fall in love, but to remain in it is another thing. As you have the courage to enter into that kind of a relationship, more so, have the courage to stay, holding on to your vows, to hold and to have, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish always, till death do us part. Allow your love one another to change you and make you a better person. Remain in love. Remain on gazing at each other with love. But that's not enough. Keep your gaze on Jesus. Allow him to be at the center of your relationship. He loves you more than you do.